Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can activate your All Access Netspend credit card. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there on the URL search for netspend.com. And once you search for it, you will be landed to its official homepage. Now from here, tap on Activate Card option at the top right of your screen, and there you will taken to the next page where you have to enter your card number and security code to reactivate your All Access Netspend card. Now type in your card number and security code correctly. And once you type in your card number and security code, tap on Continue button. And once you tap on Continue button, your card will be activated. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to activate your Netspend All Access card. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.